This is how I made keto onigiri. I started by steaming a bag of cauliflower rice and adding it to a bowl. I had to make it a sticky rice, so I added in some cream cheese. I added in more after this, probably about 3 or 4 tablespoons. Then I added in some salt and pepper, and then I added in a little bit of sesame oil just to give it a little flavor. I added in a little too much there. You want the consistency to be a little bit thick, just like this. I picked up these cute little rice molds on Amazon, cut up some seaweed snacks so they'd fit inside, and then topped with a little bit of the cauliflower rice. Here I added some crab meat. You can add anything you want. Then you're going to take some more of the cauliflower rice, add that right on top. Then I topped it with some rice seasoning that I got from H Mart. And just for fun, I topped the other one with some tahini. I'm really not a fan, but I decided to give it a try again. After that, I put the top on and then stuffed them in the refrigerator. The tahini one was good, but not as good as the rice seasoning. After I took them out of the mold, I added a little bit more seasoning and they were just perfect.